There are certain moments in life when we just don't emotionally feel at our best due to several reasons that can affect our mood, and your brain might be craving something more than just positivity to reset it. What if the secret to overcoming stress, anxiety, and even depressive thoughts lies not in medication but in your lifestyle? A simple shift in how and when you eat can actually reshape your brain, brighten your mood, and boost your mental clarity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of intermittent fasting, its surprising effects on brain function and mood, and how the right foods can supercharge your emotional well-being. Stick around as we reveal the science-backed methods that could change your life. Welcome to Levitas. Intermittent fasting is more than a trendy health practice. It's a powerful tool to enhance brain function and mood. When you fast, your body shifts into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. This metabolic switch leads to the production of ketones, which are not only an excellent fuel source for your brain, but also stimulate the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF is a protein that promotes the growth of new neurons, strengthens existing brain connections, and protects against neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, fasting reduces inflammation in the brain, a key factor linked to mood disorders like depression. It also supports better communication between brain cells by reducing oxidative stress and enhancing mitochondrial function. On a hormonal level, fasting helps balance neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play crucial roles in mood regulation and mental clarity. In essence, intermittent fasting doesn't just impact your waistline. It rewires your brain for sharper thinking, reduced stress, and a brighter outlook on life. The process of giving your digestive system regular breaks can have profound effects on how you feel, think, and interact with the world around you. Emerging research indicates that intermittent fasting is a game changer for those struggling with depression and anxiety. One reason lies in its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are closely linked to mood disorders. Chronic inflammation can disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, worsening symptoms of depression and anxiety. By lowering inflammation, fasting helps restore balance, creating a more stable emotional state. Fasting also has a profound effect on the gut-brain axis, the communication pathway between your gut and brain. During fasting, the gut microbiome shifts, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria that enhance the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters like gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA. A healthier gut means a happier brain. On top of that, fasting can regulate cortisol levels. While high cortisol is often associated with anxiety, fasting helps bring this stress hormone under control, reducing feelings of tension and worry. Finally, fasting promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and form new neural pathways. This can help individuals break free from negative thought patterns, offering a sense of renewal and hope. The science is clear. Fasting isn't just about physical health. It can profoundly influence your emotional well-being as well. So now we know fasting has huge benefits, but how do you properly apply it? Intermittent fasting is highly customizable, but one approach stands out for improving mood, and it is early time-restricted feeding, or ETRF. ETRF involves consuming all your meals within a 6 to 10 hour window earlier in the day, such as between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. This aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm, optimizing hormone production and metabolic efficiency. Why does ETRF work so well? Eating earlier in the day helps regulate cortisol levels, preventing the afternoon sugar spikes that can lead to irritability and anxiety. Also, an early eating window supports better sleep by allowing your body ample time to digest before bedtime, promoting the production of melatonin, a hormone crucial for rest and recovery. To get started, gradually reduce your eating window by an hour each week until you reach the desired schedule. Pair this with nutrient-dense meals, emphasizing protein, veggies, and healthy fats. It's also essential to stay hydrated and listen to your body, adjusting the fasting duration based on your needs. ETRF is a simple yet powerful tool to reset your brain, stabilize your mood, and improve overall well-being. By syncing your eating habits with your biological clock, you set the stage for optimal mental and emotional health. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is essential for energy and alertness, but chronically high levels can wreak havoc on your mood. Elevated cortisol is linked to anxiety, irritability, and even depression. Intermittent fasting offers a natural way to balance cortisol and enhance emotional resilience. When you fast, your body transitions from burning glucose to using ketones for energy. This metabolic shift stabilizes blood sugar levels, reducing the frequent spikes and crashes that can trigger cortisol release. Additionally, fasting promotes a more balanced release of cortisol by aligning with your body's natural circadian rhythm. ETRF, in particular, helps lower evening cortisol levels, supporting a calmer, more relaxed state as you wind down for the day. Moreover, fasting improves your body's stress response by increasing the production of proteins, like heat shock proteins. These proteins protect cells from stress-induced damage, making your body and mind more resilient to daily pressure. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Overly long or extreme fasting can elevate cortisol, leading to fatigue or mood swings. The key is moderation. Aim for fasting protocols that fit your lifestyle and promote steady energy without overburdening your system. Okay, fasting can improve mood. But how can you boost the improved mood effects? What you eat profoundly impacts your mood, as certain nutrients directly influence brain chemistry. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are known for their mood-enhancing properties. These healthy fats reduce inflammation and support the production of serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good hormone. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are also mood-boosting powerhouses. They promote a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Similarly, foods rich in tryptophan, such as beef, turkey, eggs, and nuts, are essential for serotonin synthesis. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with magnesium, a mineral that calms the nervous system and reduces anxiety. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids and magnesium and can also improve mood by boosting blood flow to the brain. Finally, berries and citrus fruits provide antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, supporting overall brain health. The key is to build a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. By prioritizing these mood-enhancing foods, you give your brain the tools it needs to function optimally, making it easier to maintain a positive and resilient mindset. Pairing intermittent fasting with mood-boosting foods can amplify the benefits of both, creating a powerful synergy for mental well-being. Start your eating window with a nutrient-dense meal rich in lean protein, fiber, and healthy fats. For example, a bowl of veggies topped with grilled salmon and steamed kale provides omega-3s, magnesium, and protein to support brain function. During the eating window, include fermented foods like kefir or sauerkraut to enhance gut health. These foods help balance the gut-brain axis, improving the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Adding nuts, seeds, or chocolate can also provide a steady supply of mood-enhancing nutrients throughout the day. Closing your eating window with a light protein-packed meal, such as a turkey and avocado, can stabilize blood sugar levels and promote restful sleep. Avoid sugary or processed foods, as they can trigger mood swings and diminish the benefits of fasting. By aligning your fasting schedule with a diet rich in mood-boosting foods, you create a routine that nourishes both your body and mind. This strategic combination maximizes your energy, mental clarity, and emotional balance, setting the stage for lasting well-being. In conclusion, intermittent fasting and the incorporation of mood-boosting foods offer a transformative approach to mental well-being. By leveraging fasting's ability to reduce inflammation, balance cortisol levels, and enhance neurotransmitter production, you can significantly improve mood and brain function. Early, time-restricted feeding aligns perfectly with the body's natural rhythms, amplifying these benefits. Adding nutrient-rich foods like omega-3s, fermented options, magnesium-packed greens, and tryptophan-rich proteins further supports emotional resilience. When combined strategically, these practices create a synergy that not only stabilizes mood but also promotes mental clarity and long-term brain health. This holistic approach provides a powerful foundation for emotional and physical vitality. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.